In today's video, we will try to pass the service purchase entry with GST. For this, we will make a service which is courier service ledger. So, we will try to make this. For this, come here, get your tally, then go with create, then go with ledger. Now, we will put the name of service which is courier service. Courier service. It will be under indirect expenses, so we'll select indirect expenses. Inventory values are affected, it will be no. Type of ledger not applicable, and then include all accessible value not applicable. GST applicability yes. HSS details, which will be specified details here. The number, I have a SSC number, so which is 99812. So I'll put this here, and the description is courier service. So I'll write the name courier service. Then we will specify the GST details. So we'll select specify details here. It will be taxable. And then IGST, we don't have to pay any IGST on this because I want to make this entry with interest rate, so I don't put any IGST. I put the CGST which is 18% and SGST which is 18%. C's value, if you want to put on based on value, then put this, and if you want not applicable, then made it not applicable. I want to make it not applicable. Applicable reserve reverse charge no. Eligible input tax credit yes. Type of supply, it will be service, and other details if you want to put. I don't have any opening balance, so I will just skip this by pressing enter. Accept yes. The ledger creation is complete. Now I will go with vouchers. Then we will select the purchase by pressing F9. Then change mode, here you can select it here, or otherwise you can just press Ctrl H. Made it accounting invoice. If you have any supplier invoice number, put it here, otherwise just skip this. The date is 10/14/2024. I want to put, so I will 01/04/2024. Party name, I want to select SC, the party, nothing to mention, so I just press enter and skip this. Then the particular will be the courier service, so I'll select the courier service from here. The amount is 1000 I want to put, which is 1000, and then the next is CGST and SGST, so I'll select CGST, automatically it will calculate it, and the SGST, it will also automatically calculate it. If you want any new reference number, you can put it here, otherwise just access the computerized number by pressing enter, and if you want to put narration, put it here, otherwise press enter and accept yes. Now we will check this. Come here, get rid of tally, then go with display more reports, then GST reports, then select GSTR to A equals here, and then here you can see all these details by here. Debit note, in here you can see all the details. This is a purchase of service, and this is we made today 1360, which is courier service purchase. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.